Do you freeze up when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," even in English class, even after all that practice?
Or do you say the same thing every time? Hi, my name is, and then panic?
Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm here to guide you through today's episode where we'll unlock simple yet powerful tips to boost your English skills.
And I'm Jack. Together, we'll walk you through real-life tips and stories that'll make English easier and way more fun.
Today's topic is something you've probably tried to practice 100 times, but will help you finally feel confident about it.
Yep, we're talking about how to introduce yourself in English naturally, clearly, and with confidence.
Let's jump in.
Okay, why is such a simple question, "Tell me about yourself," so scary?
Because we overthink it. You don't want to sound boring, but also not too fake, not like a robot.
Exactly. And in English, you're also trying to remember grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation.
It's too much pressure, but you know what? It doesn't have to be.
Let's break it down. Step 1. Forget being perfect. Focus on being clear and real.
So true. A great self-intro doesn't need big words. It needs the right rhythm, like a short story about you.
Let's give an example. I'll do a bad version first, then a better one.
Hi, my name Jack. I 25-year-old. I live in city. I like watch TV.
Oh, Jack, that was painful.
Aw, Jack, that was painful.
Yeah, I sounded like I copied from a textbook. Let me try again.
Hey, I'm Jack. I'm 25 years old and I live in Hanoi. I work in tech and I really enjoy cooking and playing the guitar.
Much better. Clear, friendly, and real. That's the vibe we want.
If you don't know what to say, don't worry. Use our 3-part formula.
It goes like this. 1. Basic info. 2. What you do. 3. Something personal or fun.
Let's break it down with some examples. Here's mine. Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from Canada, but I live in Vietnam now. I'm an English coach and I'm really into books and hiking.
Nice. Notice how she gave her name, location, job, and something personal.
And you don't have to follow a script. You can mix it up. For example,
Try this. Hey, I'm Lynn. I've been working as a nurse for 3 years. On weekends, I love going to coffee shops with my friends.
that's great. You shared your job, your experience, and something about your lifestyle.
Now, let's talk about how you say it. Good flow is more important than perfect grammar.
Absolutely. Here's some tips. Tip 1, pause naturally. Don't rush.
Tip 2, use linking words like and, but, so, because. These help you sound more fluent.
Tip 3, smile when you speak. It helps your voice sound friendly and confident.
Want to try practicing with us?
Great idea. Repeat after us. I'll say a sentence and you repeat it out loud, okay? Hi, I'm Jessica. I'm from Canada.
I work as an English coach and I love hiking.
See? Just like that. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice builds confidence.
You know what really helped me improve my speaking?
What?
Voice notes. Seriously. I started recording 1-minute voice messages to myself every morning.
Love that. Like, today I feel tired because, or yesterday I watched a movie called.
Exactly. It's like a mini daily English workout.
And it's private. No one's judging you, but you're building confidence every single day.
After 1 month of doing it, I swear my speaking felt 10 times easier.
Let's talk about common mistakes learners make when introducing themselves.
Yeah, mistake number 1, saying too little.
Just, my name is Anna, I'm 22. And then silence. Awkward, right?
Mistake 2, trying to memorize a script. It sounds unnatural.
Mistake 3, apologizing too much, like, sorry for my English. don't say that.
Right. Your English doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you.
So, how can learners practice in real life?
Start with small, safe places, like introducing yourself on language apps, English clubs, or online games.
Or leave a short comment on a YouTube video. Even, "Hi, I'm Nam from Da Nang" is great practice.
Also, talk to your mirror, or your pet, or your coffee mug. Just speak out loud.
Yes, the more you say it, the more it becomes automatic.
Let's do a mini challenge. Can you introduce yourself in 3 sentences?
Pause this podcast and try it right now, out loud. Go on, we'll wait. Well done. Don't worry if it wasn't perfect.
You showed up. You practiced. That's what matters.
So now that you've practiced your 3-sentence intro,
Let's level it up.
yes, because real conversations don't stop after you say your name. People might ask follow-up questions.
Exactly. Like, what do you do? Where are you from? What do you like to do in your free time?
Let's practice how to respond without freezing up.
Imagine this. You're at an English meetup. Someone says, "Hey, nice to meet you. What do you do?"
Now pause, don't panic, take a breath, and try this. I work as a graphic designer. I've been doing it for about 2 years now. What about you?
Nice. Short answer, a little detail, and a question back.
That's the key. Always try to give and ask. It keeps the conversation going.
Let's do more. I'll ask and you answer. Ready? Okay. What do you do on weekends?
Cool. Now try this one. What kind of music do you like?
Great job. Even short answers help build fluency.
And if you don't know a word, don't stop. Use simple language.
Let's teach you some handy phrases that help you sound more natural in small talk.
Like these.
That's interesting.
I've never tried that before.
Really? Me too.
Oh, I'd love to go there someday.
Cool. Tell me more.
All these show you're listening and they help keep things friendly.
You don't need to talk a lot. Just show you're curious and open. Can we talk about pronunciation for a second?
Yes, please. A lot of learners say, I know the word, but I'm scared to say it wrong.
We get it, but the goal is to communicate, not to sound perfect.
Still, here are a few pronunciation tips that help. Darba, word stress. In introduction, the stress is on tro. Ending sounds, don't drop them. Like likes, worked, friends. Chunking. Break your sentences into phrases like, I'm from Brazil and I work in marketing.
Want to test it out? Okay. Repeat after me. I'm studying English because I want to travel more. Try this one.
In my free time, I enjoy reading and listening to music.
Remember, it's totally okay to repeat something 5, 10, even 20 times. That's real practice.
Let's talk mindset, because honestly, the biggest barrier isn't grammar, it's fear.
Yes, so many learners say, I don't want to sound stupid. I'm afraid people won't understand me. I'll embarrass myself.
But guess what? Every single English speaker started from zero. Even native kids say weird things when they're learning.
Exactly. So if you mess up a sentence, laugh, fix it, and move on. That's how everyone learns.
Here's a mindset shift. Instead of thinking, I must speak perfectly, try, I'm just here to connect.
That changes everything.
You don't need to move to another country to practice English daily.
Right. English is everywhere. On your phone, your music playlist, even your coffee mug.
Try these ideas. Darba, set your phone to English. Darba, watch one YouTube video in English every day. Darba, follow an English meme page. Darba, talk to ChatGPT in English.
Make English your daily habit, even for 10 minutes.
One learner I worked with just talked to her mirror every morning while brushing her hair. Simple, but powerful.
Need help staying consistent? Here's a super simple weekly plan.
Da-da-da! Monday, record a 1-minute intro.
Tuesday, learn 5 new words from a show you like.
Wednesday, repeat a short conversation from YouTube.
Thursday, talk about your day out loud.
Friday, ask a question in an English group or forum.
Saturday, try a voice note with a friend.
Sunday, relax and review.
It's okay if you miss a day. Just get back on the next one.
Progress isn't about being perfect, it's about being consistent.
Hey Jess, want to hear something cool?
Always.
A listener named Trang from Da Nang messaged us last week. She says she used to be terrified to introduce herself, but now she's practicing every day in front of her cat.
That's adorable and smart.
She even told us her 3-sentence intro. Ready?
Trang style.
Hi, I'm Trang. I'm from Vietnam and I work in hospitality. I love dancing and I'm trying to improve my English every day.
Trang, if you're listening, you rock. If you're waiting to feel ready before you speak, you might wait forever.
But if you speak, even a little, you become ready.
So go introduce yourself out loud to your plant, to your classmate, to your phone. Every time it gets easier.
And we're cheering for you the whole way.
Okay, take a deep breath. You've just practiced how to introduce yourself, keep a conversation going, and even think in English like a real speaker.
You've learned how to build confidence with simple steps. Practice out loud and let go of the fear of mistakes.
Remember, every sentence you speak is progress. Every little practice is growth.
You don't need perfect grammar. You need courage and connection.
So here's your mission for today. Record a 30-second intro in English. Just say your name, where you're from, what you do, and one thing you like.
Then listen to yourself. Smile. You did it.
And hey, if you liked this episode, together, like the video,
Subscribe to the channel.
leave a comment below.
Practice what you've just learned.
This was Achieve English Podcast, Episode 2.
We're so proud of you.
Keep speaking, keep smiling, and always remember,
You're doing better than you think.